Hello, what's up guys, it's me Himmat Chauhan, and today in this video I'm going to give you the top 5 tips and tricks which will help you to extend your battery all day long as much as possible from your device. And let's get into the video. Tip number 1 is turn off the auto update in the Play Store. As you all know, most of the app company keeps their update in a frequent time period, and which is basically not necessary for every people. And due to auto update, it used to be updated in the background, which consume lots of your battery juice. And you can do that is manually from the Play Store, and you can see the what is the update, and if it's required to you, then you can do manually update, and we will save the lots of your battery juice, and you can turn off the auto update, which will help. Tip number 2, delete unnecessary app. I have seen many people who used to download the app for one work and let it be in for a long period of time, which will basically doesn't require them after that specific work, and it used to run in the background each and every day, and it used to consume lots of battery juice, and the people doesn't know, and they used to score the mobile, the battery is not giving a backup nice. And what is the fault? So try to delete all the apps which is not necessary for the long period of time, and if it is required after some long period of time, you can download it and use, and again you can uninstall the app. Tip number 3, turn off the auto syncs. Yeah, I know many people don't know about the auto syncs. It is basically that will continuously send you all the data like calendar history, mobile search history, photos, contacts, all the details of your phone to your Google account. And you can turn off, and you can save your lots of battery juice, because it used to run each and every day when you are using your phone. Tip number 4, turn on always battery saver. There are lots of myths about the battery saver, like it used to damage your battery, it doesn't work, it itself used to consume lots of battery, and that all are false, because this is always designed to save your battery as like you want. It used to take your all the activities and optimize the battery according to your activities, and it will automatically save your battery in your daily life. And so don't think in the myth, always use battery saver. Tip number 5, turn off the auto brightness. I know in some conditions it is helpful, but in most of the context, and especially in the battery context, there are lots of disadvantages. The sensor keeps running in the background and searching for the environment light, and adjusts the screen brightness, which automatically use your battery, lots of battery. And another problem is that it used to make your brightness lot more higher than as required. So always turn off and try to manually manage your brightness. And if you are in the indoors, try to use your mobile in a low brightness. It will automatically help your battery. And bonus tip is, if you are AMOLED user, then you can use always dark mode and the dark wallpaper, which will lot more save your battery. And that was the bonus. And thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed, then like, comment and share this video. And for more awesome videos, keep loving and keep supporting my channel. And till the next video, goodbye guys.